What's up, guys? We're back at the spot today. Gonna try to hit some jumps, maybe. We'll see how it goes. Just want to get some more riding in. Here we are. I gotta work on that. My nose is going down a little more than what I want. Gotta lean back a little bit, I guess. That was better, but I went too far back. I went too far forward. Not enough power. Alright, there you go. Just a quick little clip right now. Hitting these jumps for the first time today. Only my second time, but I'm getting the feel for things. So yeah, that was that. We'll continue doing some more and hopefully get some better shots.